weather service for the following county: Eastern Monmouth, New Jersey. What? Northeast winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In Delaware, Delaware beaches. In New Jersey, Eastern Monmouth, Cape May, coastal Atlantic, and coastal Ocean counties. When? From 11 a.m. Sunday to 6 a.m. Monday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.